Hi everyone, this is JDF Gadget Roundup. Today's a really good fight. These are almost flagship phones. Galaxy S25 FE versus Honor 600. The new Honor 600 has a new look compared to Honor 400. I like the new look of Honor 600, almost like iPhone looking design. Actually, the Honor 600 Pro looks like iPhone 17 Pro with that triple camera setup. So it's closer on an iPhone design. So you may also want to consider that. But today we're comparing Galaxy S25 FE. We got Exynos 2400 on S24 FE, or rather S25 FE, and Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 of Honor 600. This is the first camera comparison video of Honor 600 in our channel. In terms of performance, almost the same flagship performance for both phones, but in terms of user ratings, people like Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 compared to Exynos 2400. In terms of camera setup, we got triple camera setup on S25 FE, and we have dual camera setup on Honor 600, same as Honor 400. I guess the question today here is, will you switch from Galaxy S25 FE to Honor 600? Or with that same price range, will you go with Honor or Samsung? Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown of their cameras. Starting this test with a selfie video recording 4K 60 FPS on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE and 4K 30 FPS on Honor 600. We got natural looking tone on S25 FE and warmer on Honor 600. This is also the audio test, so you would see the audio on both sides of the frame. I think that's it for a quick audio and selfie video recording test. Let the battle begin. On daylight, starting with the slow motion, we got 4K 120 FPS on S25 FE and only Full HD 120 FPS on Honor 600. On the ultra-wide test, both phones look good. We got natural-looking wider and more detailed S25 FE. The details on Honor 600 is quite as good as S25, but you got more vivid-looking images and brighter, which some people might prefer. Now on the main sensor, really good image performance on Honor 600. There might be more details on the Honor phone compared to S25 FE. It's a bit punched in, but in terms of color profile, both looks very similar. But I guess the difference here will be on the maximum zoom. We got more detailed and better image quality on S25 FE because of the optical zoom. But in terms of close-up shots, Honor 600 has super macro capability. In terms of camera features, we got video bokeh on Honor 600, same as portrait video of Galaxy S25 FE. And we're calling this portrait video on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. We can shoot 4K 30 FPS on S25 FE and only 1080p or Full HD on Honor 600. We also have dual video recording on S25 FE. And to continue, in terms of video resolution, we got 8K 30 FPS video recording on S25 FE, but we have a lot of cool features on Honor 600. Starting with the AI button. Looks like camera control button on iPhone 17. If you click this, it would activate AI features. You can also use this button as a camera shutter on your Honor 600. Now, other camera things, including on the gallery app, you can go to create. There's like template cut, which you can create instant videos, not longer than 15 seconds. We also have image to video on the create, which you can add image, which transforms image into videos. And lastly, under more section, you got multi-video similar to dual recording on S25 FE. We also have underwater, scan document, high resolution, super macro, and a lot more. On portrait mode, starting with 1x, similar field of view on Honor and Galaxy, we got a stronger looking and beautified Honor 600 and natural looking Galaxy S25 FE. You would notice there's AI beautification on the Honor phone. On 1.5x, this is around 35mm versus 2x, which is around 50mm on S25 FE. Again, strong beautification on Honor 600. I know some people edit their portrait, so this is a plus for Honor 600. There's also people who likes natural looking, so this is a matter of personal taste. And for the zoom, we got 50mm on Honor 600, which is around 2x, and a bit zoom in 3x, which is around 85mm on the Samsung phone. We got better subject separation on the Galaxy S25 FE, same tendency, beautified AI-looking Honor 600. The beautification is not that wild because I still recognize the face. There's just a bit more makeup on it. And on the selfie, we got gradual portrait blur on Galaxy S25 FE, which is nice. And again, Honor 600, the bread and butter will be the beautification AI, which again, people might prefer over natural looking. This is a matter of personal taste. Now, this is the video quality test, daylight, starting with the ultra wide. So we got 0.7x on Honor 600 and 0.6x wider on Galaxy S25 FE. Checking the vlogging test using the ultra wide again, S25 FE versus Honor 600. Which phone is better in terms of the ultra wide vlogging test? Let's check the autofocus. Both phones will be in focus on the ultra wide, and checking the stabilization. Now going for the main sensor test. So this is the main sensor. Look at the colors on the sky and the grass. Now this is the main sensor test indoors. So earlier it was outdoors, now it's indoors. So you would see the difference between indoors and outdoors. Again, 4K 30 FPS on both phones. Let's check the autofocus here. Warmer and brighter on Honor 600 compared to S25 FE. This is the vlogging test. So you would see side by side Honor 600 versus Galaxy S25 FE indoors. Now, going for the zoom, we got 3x optical on S25 FE. We only have digital crop on Honor 600, but it's not so bad in terms of quality. You would see there's actually more details on Honor 600. And going for the farthest zoom, 12x on S25 FE. And only 10x on Honor 600. There's more details on the Honor phone. On night shot, starting with the selfie, we got brighter looking Galaxy S25 FE. On the ultra wide, I like the sensor performance on S25 FE, less noise, but in terms of colors, they look very similar, a bit exposed on S25 FE, and there's just more noise on the images for Honor 600.
Wannabes wanna be us, no lie. 4K getting angles, grip my waist with the bass going bang, bang, bang.
On the main sensor, definitely Honor 600. I don't like the HDR looking processed S25 FE. You got natural looking colors and image quality on Honor 600, closer in reality.
Boom, boom, never turn down like ooh, ooh. This ain't just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer. Boom, boom, nigga.
And on the 3x battle, the optical zoom is showing better image quality compared to the 3x crop of Honor 600, though it's not so bad, but there's more details on the Galaxy S25s.
Walk in the building, nights like this, they come one in a million. Popping champagne, it's all on the ceiling. You know the feeling, yeah. Chauffeurs with our profile.
Alright, low light video test. Honor 600 versus Galaxy S25 FE, 4K 30 FPS using the selfie. Look at the details. And the exposure, better exposed and brighter. You got more details on S25 FE. Let's check the rear cameras. Now this is the rear camera test. 4K 30 FPS on both phones, starting with the ultra wide. So 0.7x on Honor 600 and 0.6x wider on Galaxy S25 FE. You would notice you got better exposure on S25 FE but softer compared to a more detailed but darker Honor 600. I'll show you the details on Honor 600. Well, you got better exposed S25 FE. Going for the main sensor test. So this is the main sensor Closer in reality for Honor 600 and cooler tone on S25 FE. Look at the details. Which phone is better in terms of the details and exposure? In terms of noise reduction, better noise reduction on Honor 600 compared to a noisier Galaxy S25 FE. There's also ghosting on Honor, or rather S25 FE. There's no ghosting on Honor 600, as you can see. Now going for the 2x lossless crop, so this is 2x versus 2x. More details on S25 FE. We also have 3x optical here. Look at the details. We're cropping in at 3x on Honor 600. More details on S25 FE. And going for the zoom, we got 10x on Honor 600. This is 10x on S25 FE. And going for the maximum zoom, 12x on S25 FE. Really solid battle for both phones, Honor 600 versus Galaxy S25 FE. I don't know if you remember this saying, mid-range is the new flagship. That's how it feels using both phones, especially Honor 600. This phone feels like a flagship phone. So let's break down the camera, starting with Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. We got 4K 60 FPS on the selfie video with good noise cancellation on the audio. We got 4K slow motion, slightly more detailed ultra-wide and better maximum zoom, 4K portrait video and 8K video recording, natural looking portraits, wider field of view on video, better night shots on the ultra-wide telephoto and selfie, and brighter low light video overall. While on the new gorgeous looking Honor 600, we got wider field of view on the selfie video and also louder audio. The main sensor is good on daylight images and also has macro capability. We have AI button that acts like a camera control feature of iPhone that can open AI features and could also be a shutter for your cameras. We got tons of gallery AI features like template cut and AI to video and more features under the more section. Beautified portrait shots, warmer and brighter video overall, and shockingly more detailed crop. Better night shots on the main sensor, and although darker on low light video, there's no ghosting on the video. To sum up, I think Galaxy S25 FE has similar basic features as Galaxy S26. Like 4K slow motion, 4K portrait video, and even 8K video recording. Colors are on the natural side with really strong camera performance. While Honor 600 is quite as good as Galaxy S25 FE, but here's the catch. If you don't need 8K video recording or even portrait video at 4K, there's a lot of good AI features on this phone. We also have the AI button and all the fun features on the gallery that you might find useful and fun. I would say Honor 600 is a bit better compared to Galaxy S25 FE. You got Snapdragon processor, really strong camera performance, better battery life, with that new iPhone looking design. Galaxy S25 FE is a solid phone, but if you switch or buy Honor 600, I think basing it in overall performance and cameras, honestly, you might find this phone a better deal. I think that's it for a camera comparison video. Let me know in the comment section below which phone do you like, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.